I'm your host Sonia Gupta and welcome to Anybody Can Bake. Every Friday I bring you a brand new 100% eggless baking recipe. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, then subscribe it now and hit the bell icon. You will never miss my upcoming recipe videos. 100% eggless, 100% amazing. Strawberries are in season and it's certainly not possible for a baker not to bake something with these berries. So today we are going to make eggless strawberry muffins. This is going to be a quick, easy and moist strawberry muffin recipe with awesome results. So let's get started. To make our strawberry muffins, take 60 gram thick curd in a bowl and add 100 gram powdered sugar, 60 ml oil and start whisking it. Whisk until the sugar dissolves. Here I have used powdered sugar to fasten the process, but if you want, you can use regular granulated sugar as well. But make sure to dissolve it completely. Add 2-3 drops of vanilla essence into it. It's time to add dry ingredient. Using a sifter, start sifting 125 gram all-purpose flour, which is maida. Add half teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon baking soda, and a pinch of salt to it. Sieve all the dry ingredients directly into the bowl of wet ingredients. Start mixing and keep adding milk. Here I have used in total 100 ml milk. We need a batter of dropping consistency, so adjust the amount of milk accordingly. Now add 100 gram fresh chopped strawberries into the batter and fold these into the batter. Do you know strawberries do not belong to the family of berries? Berry seeds should be inside like grapes and blueberries, but strawberries are the only fruit that wears its seeds on the outside. And I have always thought why that is so. Is strawberry telling us, hey look, I am unique? Fill each muffin liner up to 3/4 with the prepared batter. The good part of strawberries is their availability during the off-season. You can either buy strawberries when they are in season and freeze them, or you can buy frozen strawberries. Our muffins are ready to bake. I'm going to bake these muffins in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. It's been 25 minutes and the muffins are out from the oven. Clean toothpick means perfectly baked muffins. Look at the beautiful dome and golden color on the crust. Let these muffins rest for 10 minutes before serving. I'm sure you all want to start baking at home and surprise your friends and family. And it is easy to do so. I have some signature courses designed for you and the details are in the description box below. So don't miss checking these. Thanks for watching. If you like this recipe, make sure to subscribe for more. Try this recipe and share your feedback. Start baking at home with Anybody Can Bake. See you next Friday with another exciting recipe video.